Hi everyone, this is Sai Tanzim Pasha, your fitter coach, and today we'll be doing a simple, basic, yet a very effective and helpful asana. That's Padmasana, one of my favorite asana. Reason being, I found it really difficult. There are people who do it very easily, but there are also few people who find it very difficult. Reason being, the hips are tight, the ankles tight. Benefits of doing Padmasana is it helps you loosen up the hip, corrects your posture, straighten your spine. There are other more benefits added on to it. Let's get started with Padmasana. I'll show you some drills to get your Padmasana. Let's start with the first pose to get your Padmasana. That's your Badukonasana or butterfly pose. Stay here, feet together, flap your knees down, push your knees down. You can also hold your feet or hold your hands back. Loosen up by flapping your feet down, and the next one we'll be doing is a pigeon pose. For that, go in a high plank position or a downward dog to loosen up. Keep your foot beside the opposite palm, extend the back leg, lift your chest up, stay here. Make sure the hip is even, try not to drop on one side. Keep the hip square, go down, loosen up, move side to side, rock side to side to get the stretch on the hip, or lie down or get a deeper stretch by lifting the chest up, extending your back, make sure the leg is down. That was your pigeon. For the next drill, extend one leg out, fold the other leg, take the heel as close as possible towards the hip, push the hip down, loosen up the hip and get a stretch in the ankle as well. Push the knee down towards the hip, towards the floor, and again back. You can also keep your hands behind if needed. Loosen up the hip, loosen up the hip, stay here, relax, extend this leg out, take the other leg close to the hip, stay here, keep your hands back or hold the ankle, however you're comfortable. Push the knee down, loosen up the hip joint, stay there. The last drill will be getting your Padmasana. Stay here, cross the leg, take the other leg. While doing this, push the other knee down towards the floor. Use the palm of the hand, which is pushing the knee down. Lift it up with both the hands, and here's your Padmasana. Repeat the drills for few times. Loosen up. I've shown you for 4 to 5 times. You can do 5 to 10 times. Repeat it. Loosen up. Do the Padmasana whenever you're ready. And make sure you don't overdo it. There might be a little strain after doing the stretches. That's the regular soreness. If that comes, it's fine. But if it's too much, just be careful. Take one step back, again practice, and get back to your Padmasana. Here are the drills with Padmasana. Hold on. We're not yet finished. We'll go for a swing pose.